What's up everyone? How you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So guys, have you ever imagined once upon a time you've got the incoming call from the unknown and the look was like really spooky, and also the phone call or the incoming call was in the Halloween vibe. Yes guys, in this video I would like to share you how to transform this photo to become this one. As you can see, on the left side will be the picture of a desk, that there is the laptop and also a glass of coffee and also the another stuff, and the main object will be the cell phone or the smartphone over here. And after using the special prompt, this smartphone can be transformed into having the incoming call from the unknown, and the incoming call itself was during the Halloween night, let's say. Isn't that creepy and also cool at the same time, right? How to create this picture? It is very easy. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that I used before was the Nano Banana, and here I am accessing it via Google AI Studio. However, if you'd like to use another platform, then it is very okay. You can start to go and also do the experiment with it, and you can also use this prompt that I will share you. And if you would like to use this Google AI Studio, then don't forget to do the login first with your email. And after that, I will start to scroll down and click this Try Nano Banana. And after that, I will click this plus and upload the picture. And you can start to upload the picture of your cell phone or the smartphone. And after that, I will put the prompt into this section. And you can simply copy this prompt that I will put into the description box, or you can also give this prompt the screenshot. And basically the prompt would be like this: transform this image of a smartphone on a desk into a dark, spooky and gloomy scene, and the clean, warm wooden desk should become an old, distressed or slightly discolored surface, barely visible in the dim light. This is the output. And also the background elements such as the laptop, coffee and other phone should be heavily obscured by shadow or appear slightly askew, contributing to an unsettling atmosphere. And also this is the main object. The smartphone screen, while not pitch black, should display a dark, ominous interface, and centered on this screen in a prominent position is the text "Unknown is calling," rendered in a glowing, eerie, unsettling green horror style, and also with the visible subtle digital glitch when you give it a zoom in like this. And also the text is like the flickering or breaking apart momentarily. The font should look distorted and digital, giving a sense of foreboding and like a cryptic and terrifying incoming call from an unseen entity. And the rest of the screen interface should be minimal and dark, making the unknown calling message or the calling stand out dramatically. And also on the table near the smartphone, strategically place a small subtly glowing Halloween mini pumpkin lantern, and casting a soft flickering orange light and adds the spooky ambience. And the another thing is about the lighting. The lighting should be dramatically altered to be extremely dark, moody with a minimal eerie light, and also the highlight of the phone and its immediate surroundings. Shadows should be deep and pervasive, creating a strong sense of a dread and mystery. And overall, the composition should be intensely unsettling and cinematic. So this is the prompt, and you can continue to click run and kindly wait for the result, guys. Well, actually, this is the prompt that I used before to transform this picture to become this one. However, you can also get another output by this same prompt, guys, like this. And if you find that this picture already satisfying, so you can continue to click download and it will be officially saved into your gallery. So that's all, guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section, because we would love to share comments there. And also don't forget to give this video like and subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.